Action. All right, guys, we all might have seen this tool before. It's called the brake spring plier or brake spring tool. And I've seen it on YouTube where people have been using it incorrectly, so just want to go over exactly the 3 ways you can use this thing. There's this end here. Looks like a cup, and it's got a little cog on the end of it. That's for removing springs off of this pin at the top. So you stick it in there like that on the pin, and you rotate it, and the spring comes off. So that's what this one's used for. It's not for removing these retainer springs. There's another tool for that. And now this end, it's got a little bit divot on the end of that rod. That's for putting that spring back on. So you set it on there like that. Whoop. You spin that spring around in there and get it lined up. You put that rod in there and you put that little divot on the pin. And then, whoop, that's not it. Just that easy. Okay, try that again. Put that on there like that. You can't let it spin off of there. Just like that. Oh, that's not good. So again, this goes on here, spin that off, or you can spin that back on if you get stuck. So that's this end. And this tool here is largely obsolete. On this brake it works because it's got rivets. So what happens is you hook a spring on there, and then you go to a rivet, and you can push on that to remove that spring, or you can also use it to attach it. But you got to do it at a rivet. So that's the 3 tools. But on a bonded shoe, this is obsolete. You can't use that because you're just going to break that shoe. So that's it. That's the proper way to use that tool.